Good afternoon and welcome to Shawano News, your positive source in a crazy world. I'm your host, Jaime Lee. Today we visit North Country Homes and celebrate 50 years of service in this family business. Now we're inside North Country Homes, located on Highway 29 outside of Shawano and Bondwell. I am here with the family celebrating 50 years in business. Bart, let's start with you, the oldest son. I know your dad was instrumental in bringing North Country Homes to Shawano. Tell us a little bit about his history now that he's retired.
Well, in 1973, he had an opportunity. He sold his liquor business in Shawano, and a gentleman approached him and said he should get in the mobile home business. And that's what it was back then. And he went out for an interview on a Sunday, and on Monday morning, he quit the liquor business and got into the manufactured housing.
So, like you said, it used to be called mobile homes. Shane, the next brother, now it's called modular or manufactured homes, correct?
Correct.
Tell the audience, what does that entail?
Well, all homes are built in a factory, but in 1976, the federal government came in and started regulating the industry. And so they became manufactured homes, and now we've evolved into modulars also. Modular means it's a home that's built to our state building code that is built to set on a full basement or permanent foundation versus a slab.
And what are some of the benefits of someone wanting to buy one of these homes as compared to maybe the wood and brick and mortar you see?
Yeah, so the biggest advantage is a lot of cost savings and time is money. So we're going to get you in your house faster than a traditional site-built home.
Okay, we have Shane, Paige, and Cole, 3 generations of Huntingtons that have made this a successful business. We're going to take a tour, get to know more of the family members, and let's go shopping. Okay, walking to some of the modular and manufactured home. I'm here with Paige, the lady of the family, besides your mom, Carol. So what is it like working in a family business?
It has its ups and downs, but for the most part, it's nice to be able to know that if you want to go somewhere, take a trip, my brothers have my back. They handle everything while I'm gone. I have to give a huge shout out to Lisa in the office too. She's phenomenal, like one of the family now. She's been here so long. So, but as everything has its ups and downs, but it is nice in the end because you know that the person that's taking over while you're not here has your back, and you also make decisions together and you have control over the future. Right,
so you trust and love each other, and it's truly a family affair. And I guess you got to keep all your brothers in line, huh?
Yes.
You know I love shopping, and now we're going home shopping. Shane, tell us, what model is this?
This is one we call the Augusta. It's a 1,600 square foot. We show it as a modular home for a basement. But most of our homes can be built for either code, so we could also set this home as a manufactured home and do it on a slab depending on the customer's needs. Come on in.
Cozy by the fire in this beautiful home. Shane, besides selling and the service, there has been some major accolades of your family. This is the #1 manufactured home service in Wisconsin?
Yeah, we've been the largest retailer in Wisconsin for 48 of the 50 years we've been in business. So we've been very blessed.
Yep. So what are some of the services that you can offer? I know that you have your own transport services.
Yeah, so we handle the sales, ordering and building of the homes from the manufacturer, and the delivery and setup on the customer's foundation once they have their site ready.
And if somebody wanted to buy a house, do they set an appointment or just come out for the day and do some browsing?
Nope, we're open 6 days a week for people to come in and tour on their own time. And then from there, they'll work with a salesman on kind of getting the home specified and built the way they want and pricing figured out.
And you said this is a really reasonable and affordable way for new homeowners or anybody to get their own home.
Yeah, we do a large business in the secondary homes for people that are cottages up north and primary homes. And so we have kind of homes to fit all different budgets.
I love it. Let's go browsing. Show me the rooms. I have the pleasure of speaking with next generation Cole Huntington of Shawano. Cole, congratulations for taking over the family business. How has the transition been? Are you learning a lot?
It's been good. It's been about going on 4 years this year, so I'm getting the hang of it.
And now we're in one of the really fancy kitchens. You would never think this could maybe be in a manufactured or modular home, but tell us about some of the features of the kitchens you offer.
Yeah, it's not your old style manufactured mobile home that you're used to. You got full backsplash, oak cabinets, beautiful walk-in pantry back there, stainless steel appliances, a little more updated with today's age.
So you're the new guy to know all the specs, all the different appliances and wares that we can buy. Tell us, how many homes do you have to view?
Yeah, we typically have about 20 to 25 on display at any given time. I think right now we have 23 to be exact.
Now we're in yet another home. This one is really cottagey and cabiny. Tell us about this model.
Yeah, it gives you a different feel. It's more, the up north feel on a lake, back in the woods, not downtown.
So nice thing about these homes is you could put it on any piece of land, not only in town, but like you said, a hunting cabin up north on a lake. It's very convenient.
Yeah, I would say about 50% of our business is up on a lake or out in the woods up north as a second home.
What an awesome option. Well, speaking of all the hard work you've done, it is time to celebrate. 3 generations of this successful and reputable business. We're going to have an open house coming up. Can you tell us more about the dates, the times, and what all includes?
Yeah, so our open house will be at the end of this month, Friday the 24th through Sunday the 26th. During the open house, we're going to have free food and beverage on site, door prizes, as well as representatives from the factories, general contractors, getting at IAM pricing, improving your lot. And then obviously we'll be here to talk to you and sell you a new home.
Okay, well, please share this post and look in the description for all the details of the open house and for the future, Cole. You're the next generation here. What is your goal? What are your dreams for the family business?
I mean, we've been around for 50 years. We've been the largest for 47 of those 50. A lot of it is just maintaining what's been set and building relationships with customers and continuing to build on what we've been doing for the last 50 years.
Well, best of luck. You've got this.
Thank you.
What a fun day touring all these homes at North Country Homes. On behalf of Bert and Carol Huntington, I am sure your family is so proud of you. Best of luck for the future. So proud of you guys for the hard work and the legacy that you continue. This is Jaime Lee signing off for Shawano News. Keep living and loving in the 5 for 166.